it has broken the support of 11,330 and drifted towards 10,866 level. Index has broken two major support at 11,171 and psychological 11,000 mark, and especially on last Friday, the market witnessed sharp selling with surge in the volatility index. We have seen selling pressure in most of the heavyweights counter, and because of that, the immediate trend has got changed. Index started to form lower top, lower bottom formation, and now, till any immediate resistance is not crossed, downside could continue to be in the market. Looking at the key levels, 11,171 is surpassed, then only we may see some stability. Otherwise, index may go towards 10,850 zone, which is the 50% retracement of the entire up move from 99.52 to 11,760 kind of level. In the last week, FIs sold equity worth 1471 crore, while DIs both around 1780 crore. Looking at the major event or the cues which triggered the selling pressure in the Indian indices was the USD INR, and especially in last couple of days, the volatile USD and volatile crude are the reason which is keeping the limited upside and dragging the indices to lower levels. INR tested a historical high of 72.98. However, it cooled off from high level, but again the rising or depreciating rupee clearly indicates the selling pressure in equity market. So we have to clearly observe the USD INR is sustains above 72 something, then only some stability could be there. Otherwise, the weakness in rupee could continue to get the weakness in the Indian indices and the stock markets. Looking at the major stock wise, on Friday, Yes Bank fell down and opened on the negative note as RBI announced the term ending by 2019 for its MD and CEO, and because of that, stock corrected by around 29%. And this is the heavyweights counter in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and that also triggered the selling pressure in the broader market. The Friday was the more vulnerable day as volatility index shooted by around 15%, VIX gone to 16.92, ended near to 15.5 level, and on trading session the market corrected by around 400 points. So that was the more negative session, and DHFL also fell down by around 42% on the last Friday as there was some concern regarding to its default of outstanding bond repayment. So the selling pressure in NBFC because of the DHFL news, and the selling pressure in the private bank and PSU bank because of the Yes Bank news was the main trigger which continuously putting pressure in the market, and because of that, prudent indices fell down sharply to hitting their recent multiple months low level. Looking at the volatility index, that also headed to a 16.92, and that is at highest level in last 7 months, and put call ratio clearly indicates that that is near to 1.10 and near to the multiple weeks low level. So rising volatility with decline put call ratio also indicates the negative sense as per the derivatives data is concerned. We have seen fresh call writing activity at high levels, and option band is continuously shifting lower. So all these are indicating further weakness could be continuing in the market. This is the expiry week, and in the entire this expiry, the index is down by around 6%, trading 300-400 points lower than its volume weightage average. And usually when market corrects, hardly it recovers in the expiry week because long got trapped, and this and they are likely to stuck for more till this expiry happens. So as of now, some weakness could continue. Now looking at the key events which may come, and one is to watch these events, and that can give the next decisive move to the market. US Fed meeting on interest rate, that will be on Wednesday. US second quarter final GDP data that will release on Thursday. India's April to August fiscal deficit data are also going to release. In August month, industrial output and first quarter 19 external debt data will be announced. So all these data points are critical, and but as of now the trend of the market has gone negative. It has been making lower top lower bottom formation from last 4 weeks. Resistance are gradually shifting lower. Now immediate hurdle is placed at 11,171. Until this resistance is not surpassed, market has potential to retest the recent swing low and is 50% retracement of 10,850 kind of zone. So traders are suggested to trade accordingly. Selective IT, oil and gas counter may see some buying interest, but selective NBFC, PSU bank and other mid-cap counter may continue to witness selling pressure in the coming trading session. So a cautious view and selling pressure could intake. Traders are suggested to trade accordingly. Thanks. Have a great week.